What do you mean by cancer?
Cancer means abnormal cells which grow abnormally, like uncontrollably.
Role of surgery in cancer management.
Curable cancers, when they come very early, we do surgery upfront.
What do you mean by robotic surgery?
In robotic surgery, it's the same arms that is fixed to the robotic arm, the same instruments, almost the same instruments, where it is fixed to the robotic arm, and I can control it through a console where I'll be sitting maybe around 1 or 2 meters away from the patient.
Breast cancer quite common and colon cancer common. Where is the role of robotic surgery in these both two types of cases?
For breast cancer, nowadays they are doing robotic surgeries, but it's a very superficial organ.
What are the signs and symptoms usually patient come with in this colon cancer or GI related?
In the upper GI, it will be more of vomiting sensation. If it is in the esophagus, it will be more of dysphagia to solids initially.
गोंयांत हॅलो दोतोर दर शुक्रारा राती 8:30 वरांचेर.